Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. क्या आपकी भी टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? डोंट वरी, मैं ये नहीं कहने वाली थी. क्या आपकी भी गैलरी में कोई ऐसी पिक्चर है जो कि परफेक्ट है but someone just had to photobomb it? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how to remove any person from your picture using just a few clicks in Photoshop. Let's clean it up. So first of all, you need to go to the lasso tool like this. Click on it. I have selected this majestic lasso tool. You can do it with anyone you like. Okay, so go to the picture you want to be cut off or removed from your video, or sorry, from your picture. Go to that picture and do it like this. Select all the area you want to remove like this. Okay, so as you can see, I have selected the person I want to remove from this picture. Now after selecting the picture, go to the select option, click on the modify, go to the expand option and expand it by, I have already selected 30 here, so I'll go with this like this. Okay, after expanding it, go to the edit. Now you need to select the content aware fill here like this. Okay, after selecting it, I'm just going with the auto here like this. So what it will do, it will remove the person I don't want in this one. So yeah, like this. As you can see, the person is here removed. Now for the more better result, what we can do is you can select the all this according to your preference, like you do the setting according to your preference. I'm gonna select like for example, like let's say the color should be high, so it will change it to like this. And I'm selecting the mirror here for more clear clarity. Yeah, it'll take some time to convert it. Wait, yeah, like this. See, it's much better than before. So yeah, in this way you can remove any unwanted person from your picture easily in just some seconds. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, subscribe for more videos, and do tell me in the comment section what videos you more want. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.